Hello everyone, my name is Pualani Faagi Barber and I am the oldest grandchild. We wish we could be there with you guys to celebrate Grandpa's life and what great legacy that he's left behind. But one thing I really admired about Grandpa was his hard work. He was very hardworking, and the last time we were there, me and Silao, we had to do our foul to rake the leaves in the front, and I thought it was so hard. But Grandpa, every day, seeing him wake up in the morning and walking up the mountain, he never complained, but he still did it in rain or shine. And it made me realize that raking the leaves was nothing, that good things come with hard work, and I'm really grateful to be able to see that in my lifetime. And I also am very grateful that our Heavenly Father was also a big part in our lives, especially Grandpa. Seeing how our Heavenly Father was really important to him. I remember our first White Sunday in Salmo, and it was hard. You know, the two kids from the States didn't understand or speak Samoan, but we were still included in the program. And I remember going up and saying my little Samoan verse, and I remember looking at the crowd, seeing Grandma and Grandpa's face. They were so proud of us, even though we probably mispronounced half the words. But it was a great day that day to be in our Heavenly Father's house and to see Grandpa and Grandma so proud and happy for us to be up there. And I just want to say, Grandpa, that I'm gonna miss you, love you, and I know you'll be looking down on us and protecting us, and I ask you to please guide and protect all of us. And Grandma, I love you and I miss you, and hopefully soon we're able to come see you. But I love you guys. I love all of you, Auntie Sa and Faagi and Fuki. Love you guys, and I hope that you guys see this as a celebration. And I love you. Thank you. Bye-bye.